Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to deal with quarters and how a quarter is divided in a knockout tournament. Moreover, we are going to see what is consolation type of tournament. Okay, let us see what is quarter, how it is divided in the teams of a knockout tournament. That is number of teams in each quarter. First point, if the number of team is less, if the number of team is less, then the teams are divided, then the teams are divided into upper half and lower half only. Second point, if the number of team is more, if the number of team then the teams are divided into upper half and lower half and then again it is further divided into four parts. It is further divided into four parts, which is known as quarters, which is known as quarters. That is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. Third point, for determining the number of team, number of teams in each quarter the total number of teams is divided into four parts. If the remainder is 0, if the remainder is 0, then there will be four quarter with equal number of teams. With equal number of teams in each quarter. Second point, if the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 1, the first quarter will have one extra team. One extra team, whereas the remaining quarters will have the same number of teams. Third point, now if the remainder is 2, if the remainder is 2, then first and third quarter will have one extra team. Whereas second and fourth quarter will have the same number of teams. Will have the same number of teams. Now if the remainder is 3, if the remainder is 3, each quarter, that is first, second and third quarter, will have one extra team. Now let us see with an example. Suppose the number of team is 19. The number of matches, that is n minus 1, 19 minus 1 is equal to 18. Now let us see number of team in upper half, that is n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 19 plus 1 by 2, 20 by 2, that is 10 teams. Now let us see number of teams in lower half, that is n minus 1 by 2, 19 minus 1 by 2, 18 by 2 is equal to 9 teams. Now we have to see number of byes to be given. Number of byes to be. Now we have to see number of byes in each half. Number of byes in each half. That is number of by in upper half NB is equal to number of byes minus 1 by 2. 13 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is 6. 6 byes. Now let us see number of byes in lower half. NB plus 1 by 2, 13 plus 1 by 2, 14 by 2 is equal to 7 byes. Now let us see number of rounds. Number of rounds. That is 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us see the quarters. What is the number of team? Total number of team is 19. First of all, we have to divide it by 4. 4 4 ja 16. That is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. How many is left? 3. 3 teams left. That is remainder. Now let us see the quarter, that is first quarter. Q plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1, 5 teams. Second quarter, five teams. Third quarter, Q plus 1, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 teams. Now fourth quarter, four teams only. Now it is total 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 19 teams. Now let us see the by in each quarter. Buys in each quarter. first quarter is equal to 3, as 6 buys were in first half, that means upper half, whereas 7 buys were in lower half. So first quarter is equal to 3, second quarter 3, third quarter 3, fourth quarter. This one is the 6 buys, upper half, whereas 7 buys were in lower half. Now let us see the consolation tournament. In knockout tournament, the teams once defeated is eliminated. That means the team is out of the tournament. In knockout tournament, a good team can be eliminated if by chance it plays with another good team. It may be a setback to that team. The team which is defeated, it is the chance to come back again in the tournament. Therefore, the consolation tournament is organized, but it depends upon the organizer whether they organize it or not. In consolation tournament, one additional chance is given to the defeated teams. Now, in this tournament, the winner is declared from the defeated team. Consolation tournament is of 2 types. Now let us see the first type, where the team which are defeated in first round get a chance to play in this type of tournament. Buys are given to those teams which did not get buys in the regular knockout tournament. Now let us see the regular knockout tournament of 9 teams. Number of teams is given 9. Number of buys, that is number of highest power of 2 minus number of team, that is 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Now here is the fixture of the 9 teams. Now let us see the consolation. Encircled teams are defeated teams in the first round. Which are the encircled teams? See here, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8 is defeated in the first round. So number of defeated teams 5. Now let us see the consolation tournament, that is the first type of consolation tournament. Here it is given team, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. IR is means first round. This one is second round. This one is third round. So here 5 teams are there. So number of buys are there, 3 buys are there. Now first round, 3 and 5 will play the match, where rest all team number 1, team number 7 and team number 8 have got the buys. First round, 3 and 5 are playing, where 5 won the match and 3 lost the match. Now let us see the second round. Second round, by team 1 which has got the bye in first round will play with team 5 who has won in first round. Now team 7 and 8 will play in the second round, as they have earlier got bye. Now let us see in the third round. Third round who all are playing? Team 1. Where second round, team 1 has played with team 5. Where team 1 has won, whereas team 5 has lost the match. Second round, team 7 and team 8 were playing, where team 7 has won, whereas it has lost the match. Now third round, where team 1 and team 7 is playing, where 7 is the winner. Now let us see the second type of consolation tournament. In this type, the consolation tournament, the team defeated in all the rounds are given a chance to take part in the competition once again. For example, let us see the fixture of 8 teams. This is the regular round. Team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is divided into upper half and lower half. Upper half is having 4 teams, whereas lower half is having the same number of teams. Now let us see the first round. First round, team 1 and team 2 is playing, whereas 3 and 4 is playing, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. In the first round, team 1 has won the match. 3 has also won the match. 5 and 6, out of 5 and 6, 5 has won the match. And the team 7 and 8, 7 has won the match. That means second round. Let us see the second round. Now the winner of team 1 and 2, that is team 1 versus team 3 is playing a match, whereas 5 and 7 is playing a match. The winner is 1 and 5. Now in the third round they will play again one match and 1 is the winner. Now let us see this one, consolation type. Now comes it was till now we have seen it was regular. This one was regular round. Now comes the consolation. Now we have to see which are the teams lost in the first round. 2, 4, 6 and 8 are the loser of the first round, whereas 3 and 7 are the loser of the second round. And team 5 is the loser in the third round. Now comes the main part, that is the consolation round. The first round, which were the teams lost 2, 4, 6 and 8. So in the first round, 2 and 4 is playing a match, whereas 6 and 8. 2 and 4 is playing a match where 2 has won, and team 6 and 7, out of these two teams, 6 has won the match. So winner of first round is 2 and team 6. Now we have to see the loser team of the second round. 3 and 7 are the loser teams of the second round. So let us bring them. That is, in the second round they will play a match between 2 versus 3 and 6 versus 7. Out of 2 versus 3, 3 has won the match, and the second match 6 versus 7, 7 has won the match. Now they will play a match, that is team 3 and team 7. Out of these two, Let us see, for example, that 7 won the match. Now we have to bring the third round loser. Which is the third round loser? 5. 5 is the loser in the third round. So we have to bring here to play a match between 7. That is 7 versus 5. 7 is the winner. So this was the second type of consolation tournament.